There is a region of space roughly 330 million light-years across that contains almost nothing. No galaxies, no clusters, no detectable matter of any significance. It is called the Boötes Void, and it is one of the largest known structures in the observable universe, not because of what it contains, but because of what is absent. Space is not evenly distributed. Galaxies form clusters, clusters form filaments, and filaments form a vast cosmic web that stretches across the observable universe in every direction. Between the filaments are voids, regions where matter is sparse and galaxies are rare. This is expected. The large-scale structure of the universe produces emptiness as a natural consequence. The problem with the Boötes Void is not that it is empty, it is how empty and how large. A typical cosmic void might span somewhere between 30 and 100 million light-years. The Boötes Void spans roughly 330 million. To cross it at the speed of light would take longer than the entire history of complex animal life on Earth. It would take longer than most of the fossil record, and at the scale of the universe, even that number remains genuinely difficult to hold in the mind correctly. Under the standard model of cosmic structure formation, a void of this size should not exist. Matter in the universe has been clustering and redistributing since the Big Bang, but the process takes time. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. Cosmologists calculate that is not enough time for gravitational dynamics alone to produce a cavity this large. The standard explanation for how voids form does not produce something the size of the Boötes Void. No confirmed alternative explanation has replaced it. When astronomers first mapped it in 1981, they found only a handful of galaxies where statistical models predicted there should have been thousands. Subsequent surveys confirmed the finding. The void is real. The emptiness has held across decades of observation. If the Milky Way were located inside the Boötes Void, the nearest large neighboring galaxy would be so distant that for most of human history, and for most of cosmic history, we would have had no evidence that other galaxies existed at all. The night sky would look largely the same. The stars of our own galaxy would still be there. We simply would not know there was anything else. We are not inside it. But we do not fully understand why it is there, or why it is as large as it is. It remains an anomaly that current models do not cleanly explain.